Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve. So this tutorial is really simple. You just need to click on this rocket icon thingy in the bottom of your screen and you'll be taken to the render settings. So here, set the file name for the video like this, and you will need to select a location for your export material. So after that, make sure that you render to a single clip, not individual clips. Because you need it as a video, you need to select this single clip. After that, select video, then make sure you check this box on export video. Here you will see the format. Select QuickTime from this menu. Here in codec, make sure you select H.264. Set your encoder to auto. Here in resolution, timeline resolution. In frame rate, set the frame rate in which your video was created in. So my video was created in 24 frame rate, so I am setting it to 24. So after that you will see this quality option. Here you need to multiply your frame rate with 2000 and you will need to set this quality to that number. So my video was recorded in 24 frame rate, so 24 into 2000, it's 48,000. So here I will put 48,000, and below that it's just basic settings. You don't need to change anything. After that, click on this button, add to render queue. At the rightmost part of your screen you will see render queue. Here your video will be queued and all you need to do is click on render all. It will render the project that is in the queue and it will take you to the folder that has your exported video. And as you can see, I have exported my video from DaVinci Resolve. That's all you need to do in order to export video from DaVinci. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe our channel and I'll meet you guys in the next video.